Hi, I am going to talk about David Paul Ausubels' theory. Now, before we go and discuss about Ausubels' theory, let's get to know a little information about who is he. Now, David Paul Ausubel was an American psychologist and was born on October 25, 1918 and was died on July 9, 2008. He contributed to the field of education psychology, cognitive science, and science education learning. Now, what is his theory? His theory is concerned with how individuals learn large amounts of meaningful material from verbal, textual presentation in a school settings, in contrast to theories developed in the content of laboratory experiments. Organizers act as a subsuming bridge between new learning materials and existing related ideas. Now, he has two theories about this one. Now, what are those theories? The first theory is the meaningful verbal learning. Now, this is created through some forms of representation equivalence between language and mental context. Now, there are two processes involved in here. The first one is the reception, and then the second one is the discovery. Now, the second theory is the subsumption theory. Now, this is based on the idea that individuals' existing cognitive structure, organization, stability, and clarify of knowledge in a particular subject is a principal and basic factor influencing the learning and retention of meaningful new material. This theory is applied in the advanced organizer. From Ausubel's perspective, this is the meaning of learning. Now, let's go ahead and discuss about his four subsumption theory. The first one is the deverative. This is when you add new things to existing cognitive structure, thinking or linking rather them to concept already known. The second one is the correlative. Now, this one refers to the elaboration, extension, or modification of the previous learned concept, propositions by the subsumption of the incoming idea or higher level concept of thinking. Now, the third one is the superordinate subsumption. This is the new higher level of concept into which already existing categories can be integrated. You are familiar with the things, but you did not know the concept of itself until it was taught. Now, the fourth one is the combinatorial learning. This is when newly acquired knowledge combined with prior knowledge to enrich the understanding of both concepts. Advanced organizer. What is this? So Ausubel's idea to this one is to relate what the student already know to the new content to be learned and thus increase retention. Advanced organizer should be at higher level of abstraction, generally, and exclusiveness than the content to be presented. Now, there are two benefits to this one. The two benefits of advanced organizer is, the first one is you will find it easier to connect new information with that you already know about the topic. The second one is you can readily see how the concept with certain topic are related to each other. Now, let's go ahead and discuss the four types of advanced organizer. The first one is the expository. Describe new knowledge can be used in material will be presented that is unfamiliar or new to the student. Now, example to this one is when an instructor presents a new lesson or topic that has never been discussed and helps students that make connection to what they may already know. The second one is the narrative. Narrative present in the information in a story format. The third one is the scheming theory information. And then the last one is the graphic organizer. So these are pictographs, descriptive or conceptual patterns or concept maps. So that concludes my report about Ausubel's theory. Thank you and have a good day.